Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest account. So after you download the Pinterest app, what you're going to do, you're going to just open up the app and you will see the interface of the app just like this. So go ahead and sign up with your account, enter your email address, and after you enter your email address, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to add the email, which is my Gmail. So I'm going to just add it and I'm going to go ahead and add .com and move on to the next step and create your own password. So I'm gonna just create password right here, move on to the next step and enter your birthday and make sure that is valid, because probably you won't be able to change it later. So just go ahead and to the next step. Okay, wait off for a few moments and select your gender. In my case, I'm gonna just choose male and select the country that you are currently living in. So in my case, I'm gonna just leave it out, move on to the next step and just select your 5 things of your interest. Probably you like memes, luxury cars, and soccer, probably wallpapers or quotes and something like that. And just go ahead and move on and make it to your home feed. So the algorithm will of the Pinterest will give you this kind of home feed suitable for your interests. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.